Hello, I'm Alex, and today I'll be showing you how easy it is to install a grower thermostat with temperature control on the right side and adjustable EcoButton. It sounds complicated, but it isn't. An important note before we get started: this installation also applies to other grower thermostats. And one more thing, make sure to turn off the water before you start working. So, let's get started. First, let's check what's in the box. It always helps to take a look at the enclosed installation manual, but you can watch the installation video instead. Before starting the installation, you should cover your shower tray to protect it from getting damaged. To install your new thermostat, all you'll need is a thermometer, a slotted screwdriver, and the quick spanner. Let's get started. First, screw the new rosettes onto the S connections. Simply screw them on and tighten by hand. Simple as that. Now for your new fitting. You can remove both covers. You can see the seals here straight away in the union nuts, one on the left and one on the right. Now tighten the union nuts of the fitting on the S connections. First, tighten them by hand. Then use the quick spanner to tighten alternately. However, be careful. They will come off if you tighten them too far. So, what's next? Exactly, your hand shower. Simply hook it onto your new or old shower rail and screw the hose onto the bottom of the thermostat by hand. Done! You can now turn on the water again and check that everything is tight. Perfect! In addition, your thermostat has a built-in temperature lock, the Safe Stop. To ensure that water at this temperature reaches the 38 degrees Celsius mark on the housing, the thermostat needs to be calibrated once. Simply remove the cover for this and unscrew the handle. Now briefly run the water. Measure the temperature and adjust the exposed blue controller of the thermal element under the handle until the water temperature reaches 38 degrees Celsius. The best way is to wait a quick minute so that the temperature has time to adjust. If you want to ensure that the water never gets too hot, you can limit the safety stop of the handle to a maximum of 43 degrees Celsius with the Safe Stop Plus module. Simply insert it here in the handle and attach it back to the thermostat. Make sure here that the marking on the handle matches the 38 degrees Celsius marking again. To save water, your new thermostat has the EcoButton, which limits the water volume. If you turn the controller up to the stop and then press this button, you can turn up to the full water volume. To adjust the EcoButton to your own needs, unscrew the handle and remove the white groove insert. Carefully pull off the grey stop sleeve, turn it up or down, and reinsert it to set the desired limit in Eco mode. Twisting the stop sleeve downwards means less water, upwards more water. After you've done that, quickly put it together again. Done! By the way, the installation and adjustment options I've shown you also apply to the bath thermostat. Here you also have the option of switching between the bath spout and the hand shower. If you want to clean your aerator, you can easily unscrew it and screw it back in using the quick spanner. Done! Not so hard after all, right?